Kailan ikaw sa upline, makita mo din yung gusto mo talaga yung I think official count po natin right now, we have 85 participants. Palakpakan naman po natin.
We have the strength, we have the...
Where the revelation is orange and blue then.
We're yan kaming mga silencers!
Takbo! Grabe!
Okay, alalayan mo sa likod mo. Okay? Alright.
Success! Success! Success!
Kasi yun ang totoong buhay. Hindi makikita yung lungkot, ang ma-highlight yung saya. Pero yung lungkot, yung hirap, that's part of success. Natalo ka, may natutunan ka? Pag napagalitan ka, may natutunan ka? Pag pinuri ka, may natutunan ka? Wala. And that's what I do.
10 minutes today.